Newly discovered waterfall known as Mukak Lankso waterfall has turned a new most lovable picnic destination in the region. Hundreds of visitors from far and near the region visits the site every day. Therefore, the local public appeals Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to lead the team Karbianglong to intervene and allocate a project for the modification of the newly discovered tourist destination. The waterfall is situated at Koilamati under Nilip constituency. Karbianglong is blessed with its natural beauties and beautiful waterfalls. The authority of Karbianglong Autonomous Council had therefore beautified most of the discovered waterfalls and thus generated a huge revenue to the Forest and Tourism Department under Karbianglong Autonomous Council. If rigorously searched, there is a possibility of discovering more waterfalls and tourist destinations. Likewise, recently discovered waterfall at Koilamati had crazed the tourists and nature dwellers to visit the place. Nearly 200 of visitors from far and near the region visit the site every day. Therefore, the local residents of the region appeals Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to lead Team Karbianglong to intervene and allocate a project for the modification of the newly discovered tourist destination, which would certainly surplus the generation of revenue to the financial budget. The youths of Dhoniram Inki village, Riso Nimso Aterang Amai, came forward and voluntarily conducted a social work at the region. They also expressed their aspiration over the beautification and modification of the site by the concerned authority.
Claim pensi dak anak ke bawah pensi tungki wah, lasi nona mat ni tum akar i banggalan lo, harong pendak langsun anak apa ni rok je pan itu tuar bang nangji lasi ketik ding tum setame nang cerap tum tak kusi cemuri.
Samson Inkti's report from Koilamati, Karbianglong Live.